If you're a millennial like me, you probably remember spending a fair amount of time playing The Sims. Well, in Microsoft Teams now, a new feature has been launched called Avatars, which really does bring back those memes of playing The Sims. So let's check it out.
So in the Apps tab in Microsoft Teams, if you search for Avatars, you'll then see an option for avatars built by Microsoft. Open this up and you'll be able to configure your own avatar for your teams. You'll be able to customize it in 3 different ways. So for example, you could have a professional outfit, you could have a casual outfit, you could have a not so professional outfit, up to you. So up here on the screen is my avatar. I've already made this myself, but I'm going to take you through the process. So if I just hit on customize, I can then go into my avatar and I can then go through, change the body shape, the face, hair, appearance and wardrobe, and make him do a bit of a twirl so I can see how he looks. So from here we can go through, zoom in and change the way he looks. So the purpose of avatars is that you'll then be able to use it in Microsoft Teams during a video call. So instead of having yourself on the camera, your avatar is there. We'll go through and do a test in a minute to show you how it works, but this just shows how you can edit the avatar to suit your appearance and make it unique to you. So I'm happy with that. And as you can see on the right hand side, I have 3 different customizations. I'm going to keep this one as my primary one, and we'll go through a test call in a moment. Okay, so here we are in the Teams environment. I'm in a video call on 2 Teams accounts at the minute. So there's one account on my main screen that you can see, and then down the bottom there's another Teams account there. I'm going to drag across this Teams screen now so you can see how to turn on the avatar. So in the More menu, I'm going to go down to Effects and Avatars, and then from there, the Avatars tab. So once this loads up, I can pick one of my 3 costumes or customizations. I'm going to go with the blue hoodie, which is very classic Mitch. So I'm just going to apply the avatar now. So clicking that button and drag this out of the way. Any second, there it is. Avatar Mitch now appears on the screen. So this is what the other viewer will see. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to turn on the reactions and use some of those. So say for example, someone was talking in a meeting or someone arrived at the meeting. Let's start with that. I can give them a wave. And that's just by clicking a button. So if I bring this screen back up and list all the reactions here, I won't go through all of them, but there's things like tears of joy, surprise, scared, shrug, and fun things like the robot dance, the wave, even a dab. Goodness me. Okay, so let's do something different. So let's do a chef's kiss. So this is the chef's kiss. Then we have the wave. And for more serious situations, you could in fact, if you're in a meeting, you can say that you're confused. You can say that you're amazed at something. You are too kind. Say someone did really good in their proposal. You could do a fist bump. And I'm doing all these just by clicking a button. So he's my avatar to control. My voice in the meeting would still go across the speakers. It's then just my job to make the avatar move. I can also apply backgrounds to the avatar. So I'll do that quickly now. Tip minute, it's an office location, as you can see by default. I've put that on as my default one. I could make it no background, so just a black background. I can make it this one, whatever this is. Oh, that's quite cool, isn't it? Very neat. And that's the basics of the avatar. I can change his outfit throughout the meeting. So say for example, if the meeting at first was quite casual, I can then put him in a professional sort of looking outfit. So there he is in his black shirt, looking dapper, and he's all ready to go for the meeting. So in a nutshell, that is avatars. You can add it into your Microsoft Teams client by going into apps, which is over here, and then searching for avatars as we did before. And, all right, he's getting impatient. Search for avatars as we did before, and then you can then pin it to an app in your Teams client, customize your avatar, and then you'll be able to customize it, add it in, and go from there. And in a nutshell, that is avatars on Teams.